Hello students, today I'm going to talk to you about how to upload an assignment on Canvas. There are two styles. You can upload with a text entry box, or you can do a file upload. So the first thing you need to do is open your Canvas class and find the assignment that you want to work on and then upload. So I will show you. Most of your assignments will either be on the side here, we're on the to-do list, or you can find them in the modules. So we'll look at the to-do list here and we can see week 6 assignment 1, which is 52 points, and most of you are doing that or about to do that. So you can see that the assignment has this little pencil with a piece of paper. That means that's an assignment. If you see a microphone, that means it's an announcement. If you see a little rocket ship here, that's a quiz. So I'm going to click on week 6 assignment 1. And at the very top of the page, you can see the due date. It's due Tuesday by 11:59 p.m. So that would be Tuesday next week. It's 52 points, and you're going to be submitting it with a text entry box. It's available from August 4th to August 18th. If you turn it in after Tuesday, it'll be late. So you're going to read the instructions here. All of these exercises are in your book, and you're going to follow my example here for writing your homework. So you're going to write page 99A, number 1, and then write your answers. Then page 101B, number 1, number 2, number 3, and write your answers. And page 105E, number 1, write your answers. So, and so on. If you want to remember the style, what I recommend is to copy this. So you could highlight it and then press copy, so that you know the style that you're going to use. And then you're going to go over here to submit assignment. This is the first thing you're going to do. So now I have the assignment here above, and I'm going to type my answers in here. So basically, you need to read these pages in your book and then write your answers. So what helps me is I just push edit, or you can find it here. You just push paste. Now I can continue in my book. So number 1 is done, and maybe I want to then put number 2 and write my answers there, and then put number 3, and I think there's a total of 4 here. So I will continue writing my answers from the book. The first one has been done for you. So after I finish writing all my answers from the homework, I'm going to go down here to submit assignment and press that. So now look at the confetti shows up on the screen, and it says you have submitted your assignment successfully. And you will also see up here in the box it says submitted with an exclamation point. If you don't like your answers or you would like to submit again, you can always push resubmit assignment and type your answers again if you don't like what you did. So that's how you do a text entry box. Now I'm going to show you how to do a file upload. So we're going to go back to our home page. And you can see here we have all these assignments, and I want to do week 6 assignment 2. So I'm going to click that. Now week 6 assignment 2 is a little different. It's due August 14th, it's 50 points, and this time it's a file upload. So instead of typing into a box, I'm actually going to upload a file. Upload a file means you need to create a file using Word, or you can use Google Docs, whatever you want, but you need to type your assignment first in a doc and then upload it. So after I'm going to read all of this, and it shows me like what I need to do. I need to write a paragraph. And then after I write my paragraph on another document, I'm going to submit assignment. So to submit assignment, I have to choose my file on the computer. So I'm going to look for the file. And you can look on your desktop for documents and find the file, and then you're going to include it. If you don't see the file that you want here, you could also look for the file on your Google Docs. Maybe you put it on a Google Drive, and you can look there. So you're going to upload your file, and then after you upload the file, so you might want to save the file onto your computer, then you're going to submit assignment. So you're going to press submit assignment. After you do that, your file will be uploaded and you will be finished. So this is how you submit files and do text entry boxes for your homework. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. You can send me an email. But this is the basic way in which we submit homework online. Thank you.